Welcome to Rago English. In this video, we look at what is IELTS. This video was more into audio data than video visuals to enable listeners and passive study students who could relax to hear and progress on their skills that they prefer to. IELTS is an international English test. It's for people who wish to study, work, or migrate to a foreign country where they speak English as their first language. We have such countries like USA, UK, New Zealand, Canada, and Australia, and many of Scandinavian countries, and further. So, why do we take this test for? We take this test for doing a course, to choose to work, to take up a work, or migrate, settle with your family. According to the purpose of exam, IELTS is divided into two. We have academic IELTS, we have general IELTS. Academic IELTS is for students and workers, of course, and general IELTS is now a requirement for your PR. Even it is a certification for general workers. To pass the exam, you have to qualify the 4 English skill tests. What are they? They are in order: first, listening; 2, reading; 3, writing; and last, speaking. The first 3 tests are conducted without a break, one after another. But speaking may be scheduled a week before or after the main exam. The main exam clocks 2 and 45 minutes. You will have to report to the exam hall 1 hour before, and hence altogether it is 3 hours 45 minutes of your time. Speaking exam is of rather 15 minutes of time. It's a different test. Now, for general and academic, are the tests the same? No, it is not. Speaking and listening is the same for academic and general. The rest too, that is writing and reading, differs. How can you book your test? You can book your test with idp.org a month before to make your date confirmed. How much do you pay for the fees? The fees differ with the rate of exchange. However, at the time I record to you, the fees is 14,500. We'll have many more videos on this, and thank you for listening to the video. Please share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Rago English as a prime channel study and applications.